Hello, nice that you are watching this video. In this video, I will explain the differences between audio cables and which one is suitable for you. Let's start with the XLR cables, also named microphone cables. They are the most used cables in the entire music world. They consist of 3 wires: 1, a positive signal wire; 2, a negative signal wire; 3, a shield. You find them on microphones, amplifiers, mixers, etc. You can also use XLR as DMX, but it is better to buy separate DMX cables. The jack, 6.3 mm or mini jack, 3.5 mm. The normal 6.3 mm jack is often used to connect instruments or active speakers, for example, mixing consoles and audio interfaces. For guitarists, there are guitar cables that are specially designed for use with an electric guitar. You often see the 3.5 mm jack on smartphones, computers, tablets, or portable speakers. RCA cables. You can recognize RCA by the red and white connectors and by the pin with a raised edge around it. They are often used for DJ gear. Officially, they are mono, but because you always use 2, the signal is stereo. Speaking connectors. You recognize them immediately. The blue thick connector with a locking system. They are very simple and you don't need to know much about them. But don't get confused with PowerCon connectors. They look the same. So which cable for you? Microphone, speaker, mixer, and light control. XLR instruments and active speakers. Jack, smartphone, computer, and portable speakers. Mini jack, DJ gear. RCA, simple passive speakers. Speaking. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.